Muddy shoes. Hi, honey.
Don't move.
What?
Look at the floor.
Oh,
Your shoes are covered in mud.
I didn't notice.
And now there are muddy footprints everywhere.
You're right.
I spent the whole afternoon cleaning the house.
I'm sorry.
I cleaned the kitchen, the living room, and the hallway.
I know. Everything looked great.
And now look at this mess.
I'm really sorry.
Why didn't you take your shoes off at the door?
I was carrying groceries and I forgot.
Now I have to clean the floor again.
No, you don't.
What do you mean?
I made the mess, so I will clean it.
Really?
Of course.
Are you sure?
Yes. You already worked hard all afternoon.
Well, that's true.
Give me 10 minutes.
Okay.
First, I will take off these dirty shoes.
Good idea.
Then, I will clean the floor.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next time, please take your shoes off at the door.
I promise.
Good.
And to make up for it, I bought your favorite ice cream.
Really?
It's in the kitchen.
Okay, you're forgiven.
I hoped you would say that.
Looking at a dating app. How are you feeling today?
Not very well.
Are you still thinking about Mark?
Yes, a little.
I know you're sad, but you will be okay.
I hope so.
You were together for only 4 months.
I know, but I really liked him.
Sometimes things don't work out,
That's true.
and I'm sure you will find someone better.
Do you really think so?
Of course I do.
Thanks. I needed to hear that.
Come on, let's do something fun.
Like what?
Let's look at your dating app.
I don't know.
Why not?
It feels too soon.
We're not getting married today.
That's true.
Here, give me your phone.
Okay.
Let's see who is here.
All right.
What about this guy?
No.
Why not?
I don't like his photos.
Okay. What about this one?
No.
What's wrong with him?
His nose is too big.
Oh, come on.
I'm serious.
You're impossible.
Maybe.
Okay, next one. He looks nice.
He does, but he's blonde.
So?
I prefer dark hair.
All right, Miss Difficult.
Stop laughing.
Fine. Let's keep looking.
Okay.
What about this guy?
Let me see.
He has blue eyes and dark hair.
Ooh.
That's a good sign.
He's actually very handsome.
Let's read his profile.
Okay.
It says he loves animals and traveling.
Really? I love animals too.
And you always talk about traveling.
That's true.
I think you should send him a message.
I don't know what to say.
Just say hello.
That's scary.
It's only a message.
I know.
Come on, do it.
Okay.
Great. What are you writing?
Just, hi, how are you?
Perfect. Send it.
Okay. Done.
See? That wasn't so bad.
No, I guess not.
And who knows? Maybe this is the start of something good.
Maybe. I'm glad I came today.
A first date at an Italian restaurant. I'm glad you could come today.
Me too, and I love the restaurant you chose.
Really?
Yes, I love Italian food.
That's good to hear.
Italian food is probably my favorite.
Mine too.
I already know what I want to order.
That was fast.
I love pasta.
Have you ever been to Italy?
Yes, I have.
Really? Where did you go?
I went to Rome 4 years ago.
That's amazing. I was there too.
Did you like it?
Yes, I loved it.
What did you see there?
I visited the Colosseum and the Vatican.
Me too.
The Colosseum was incredible.
Yes, it was much bigger than I expected.
Exactly.
I also loved walking through the old streets.
Rome is a beautiful city.
It really is.
I would like to go back one day.
Me too.
I was also in Sicily a few years ago.
Really? I've never been there.
It was wonderful.
I would love to visit Sicily someday.
You should. The beaches are beautiful.
That sounds perfect.
Maybe one day we can go together.
Maybe.
I hope so.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books,
What kind of books?
mostly history and travel books.
That's interesting.
I also love traveling,
I can see that.
and I enjoy hiking in the mountains.
Really?
Yes, I try to go hiking a few times every year.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I love swimming.
In the sea?
Sometimes, but mostly at the pool.
That's great.
I go to the pool 2 or 3 times a week.
Wow, that's a lot.
It helps me relax after work.
I understand.
Do you have a favorite place you visited?
Yes, I think Switzerland is my favorite place.
Really? Why?
The mountains are beautiful and the views are amazing.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
My favorite place is Bali in Indonesia.
Nice. What did you like about it?
The beaches, the weather, and the people.
I would love to visit Bali one day.
You should. It's beautiful. I'm having a really nice time tonight.
Me too.
I'm glad we decided to meet.
So am I.
Buying bubble tea.
Hello. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like 2 bubble teas, but I can't decide what to get.
No problem. I can help you.
Great, thank you.
Do you like fruity flavors or milk tea?
I usually prefer fruity flavors.
Then I can recommend passion fruit. It's very popular.
That sounds good.
Mango is also a customer favorite.
I really like passion fruit.
You can also choose the toppings.
Right, there are so many options.
I know.
What toppings do people usually get?
Mango popping boba is very popular.
That sounds delicious.
Orange popping boba goes well with passion fruit too.
Really?
Yes, they taste great together.
Okay, I think I know what I want.
Great.
I would like a passion fruit bubble tea with mango and orange popping boba.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
And the second drink?
It's for my daughter.
What flavors does she like?
She loves strawberries.
Then I recommend our strawberry bubble tea.
Okay,
A lot of kids like it.
that sounds perfect.
Would she like popping boba too?
Yes, definitely.
A strawberry popping boba would be a good choice.
Great, let's do that.
1 strawberry bubble tea with strawberry popping boba.
That's right.
Anything else today?
No, that's everything.
Your total is $11.80.
Okay, can I pay with cash?
Yes, of course.
Great, here you go.
Thanks. Here is your change.
Thank you.
Your drinks will be ready in a few minutes.
Perfect.
I hope you and your daughter enjoy them.
I'm sure we will.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Helping an elderly woman on the bus. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like some help with your bags?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you very much.
No problem.
They are a little heavy today.
Let me carry them onto the bus for you.
That's very kind of you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like to sit down?
Yes, please.
You can sit here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's nice to meet such a helpful young man.
That's very nice of you to say.
Not everyone offers help these days.
Are you going far?
Yes, I'm going to visit my grandchildren.
That sounds nice.
Yes, I haven't seen them for a few weeks.
How many grandchildren do you have?
2.
Really?
Yes, I have a granddaughter and a grandson.
How old are they?
My granddaughter is 4 years old, and my grandson is 7.
That's a fun age.
It is. They have so much energy.
I can imagine.
I bought them some gifts today.
Oh, really? What did you buy?
I bought a doll for my granddaughter.
That's nice.
And I bought a toy car for my grandson.
I'm sure they will love them.
I hope so. I also baked a cake for them.
Wow, you're a great grandmother.
Thank you.
What kind of cake did you make?
A chocolate cake.
That sounds delicious.
It's my grandson's favorite.
Then I'm sure he will be happy.
I hope so.
How often do you see them?
Usually once or twice a month.
They must be excited to see you.
I think so. That's my stop.
Let me help you with your dags again.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It was very nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too.
Thank you for all your help today. I wish there were more people like you.
That's very kind of you to say.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Enjoy your time with your grandchildren.
Thank you. Goodbye.
At the bakery. Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like a loaf of bread, please.
Of course. Anything else?
Yes, I would also like 4 croissants.
No problem.
Thank you.
Is that everything?
Actually, I have a question.
Sure.
Do you have any cheese sweet rolls today?
Yes, we do.
Really?
Yes, they just came out of the oven.
Oh, that's wonderful.
They are still warm.
I love your cheese sweet rolls.
I'm glad to hear that.
I will take 2, please.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Anything else today?
No, that's all.
You come here quite often.
Yes, I do.
That's nice.
I really love this bakery.
Thank you very much.
The only problem is that it is so far from my house.
Well, I have some good news. We are opening a new bakery next month.
Really? That's great.
It will be on London Road.
Wait, what?
Yes, on London Road.
That's very close to my house.
Then it will be much easier for you to visit us.
I can't believe it.
We are very excited too.
This is the best news I've heard today.
I'm happy to hear that.
I will probably come even more often now.
We will be happy to see you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your total is $12.50.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Buying a metro ticket. Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, I would like to buy a metro ticket.
Of course.
I wanted to buy it from the machine, but it isn't working.
Oh, really?
Yes, the screen is frozen.
Thank you for telling me.
No problem.
I will call someone to check it.
Okay.
Where are you traveling today?
To Central Station.
All right. Do you need a one-way ticket or a return ticket?
A return ticket, please.
When are you coming back?
This afternoon.
Okay. 1 return ticket to Central Station.
That's right.
Do you have a travel card?
No, I don't.
That's fine.
How much is the ticket?
It's $6.50.
Okay.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Thank you. The next train leaves in 10 minutes.
Perfect. I have plenty of time.
The platform is straight ahead and then to the left.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. At the laundromat. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can you help me?
Sure. What's wrong?
Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Really?
Yes, my wife usually does the laundry.
Oh, I see.
But she's sick today, so I'm here instead.
That's nice of you.
Well, someone has to do it.
That's true.
I have never used these machines before.
Don't worry, they're pretty simple.
I hope so.
What do you have there?
Mostly shirts, pants, and a few towels.
Okay. Did you separate the white clothes from the dark clothes?
No.
You should do that first.
Really?
Yes. Otherwise, your white clothes might change color.
My wife would not be happy about that.
Probably not.
Okay, I'll separate them.
Good idea.
What do I do next?
Put the clothes into the machine.
Like this?
Yes. Now add detergent.
How much detergent do I need?
Just 1 cap is enough.
All right.
Then choose a program.
Which one should I choose?
For normal clothes, this program is fine.
Okay.
Then press the start button.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow. I thought it would be more difficult.
Most people think that the first time.
How long will it take?
About 40 minutes.
And after that?
You can move the clothes to the dryer.
Another machine.
Yes, but it's easy too.
I might need your help again.
No problem.
My wife will be surprised when I tell her I did the laundry myself.
She'll probably be very impressed.
I hope so.
Good luck.
Thanks. And thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Waiting for the bus. Excuse me, has bus number 15 already come?
No, it hasn't. I'm waiting for it too.
Oh, good.
Are you going somewhere far?
Not really. I'm going to Park Road.
Oh, that's 1 stop after mine.
Really?
Yes, I get off at Maple Street.
That's good to know.
Do you take this bus often?
No, actually, this is my first time.
Really?
Yes, I moved here recently.
Welcome to the city.
Thanks.
Where did you live before?
I lived in Orlando.
Nice. Why did you move?
I got a better job here.
That's great.
Yes, I'm very happy about it.
What do you do?
I work in IT.
That sounds interesting.
I like it.
Are you enjoying the city so far?
Yes, I am. People are very friendly.
That's nice to hear.
I'm still learning how to get around.
Don't worry, you'll learn quickly.
I hope so.
You will.
Is Park Road a nice area?
Yes, it is. There are a lot of shops and restaurants there.
That's good.
Are you meeting someone there?
Yes, a friend from work.
Nice.
Oh, I think that's our bus.
Yes, that's number 15.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Calling 911 to report a fire. 911, what is your emergency?
Hello, I think there is a fire.
Okay, ma'am. Please stay calm. What is your name?
My name is Hannah Smith.
Thank you, Miss Smith. What is the address of the fire?
I'm on Oak Street,
What number?
near number 245.
Okay. Can you see what is burning?
I'm not sure.
That's okay. What can you see?
I see a lot of smoke coming from a building.
Is it a house?
I don't think so.
Can you describe the building?
It looks like a warehouse or a large garage.
Do you see any flames?
Yes, I can see flames near the roof.
Thank you. Are there people near the building?
Yes, a few people are outside.
Is anyone trapped inside?
I don't know.
Okay. Please stay at a safe distance.
I am across the street.
Good. Do not go closer to the building.
I won't.
Can you tell me your phone number?
Yes, it's 555-321-7845.
Thank you. Firefighters are on the way now.
Okay,
They should be there in a few minutes.
that's good.
If you see anything important, please call us again.
Of course.
Thank you for reporting this.
You're welcome.
Stay safe, Miss Smith.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.